on the butter, sprinkle on the salt. Turn up the fire. The popcorn's in the popper, so let it pop, pop, pop. The popcorn's in the popper, so let it pop, pop, pop. The popcorn's in the popper, so let it pop, pop, pop. The popcorn's in the popper, so let it pop, pop, pop. Hi kids, it's Miss Stacy. Today I'm gonna make some popcorn, and instead of doing it in the microwave where the popcorns are hidden inside of a bag so we can't really see them pop, I'm gonna do it on my stove. See that glass top? So we can see what's happening to the popcorn kernels. This is a jar of popcorns, and I'm going to pop them in oil and then put a little salt. So not butter like in our popcorn song, but oil is fat like butter, so it'll serve the same purpose. All right, here we go. This is 1 tablespoon of oil, and I have to make sure it covers the whole bottom of the pot. Here's my salt shaker, just a little bit in the pot. Here it is on my stove, the pot with the oil and salt. This is the burner, and I'm going to turn it on. Turn up the fire. I'm going to turn it on to medium-high, so between medium and high. I heated up the oil until it was hot enough, and I'm going to shake them around to get them all covered in the oil. And now it goes back on the burner, and I have to put the top on. If I don't put the top on, then the popcorn is going to hop out of the pot while it's popping. Here it goes. Oh, I think it's all done. So I'm going to turn it off and give it a good shake. Oh. Well, this has been fun. Let's take the top off. And there's the popcorn. Here's my popcorn. And it's still a little hot, but it's good. I used a slow motion and then super slow motion to try to capture what's happening when these things pop. I don't know if I really understand it, but I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching this video, kids. Bye-bye.